La casa se siente tan fría ahora. Veo tu foto a toda hora. El café sigue en la mesa. Todavía siento tu promesa. Y es un dolor que quema lento, rompiendo mi corazón por dentro. Tratando de seguir el ritmo solo. En este party me siento solo. El mundo sigue dando vueltas más. ¿Por dónde empiezo? ¿A dónde voy?
Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn with CC. Now let me ask you something. Could you believe that the song you just listened to was actually created using Google's new Gemini music generation features? Yes, that entire track was generated with AI. And this is honestly one of the most exciting things happening in AI right now. With Gemini's music creation capabilities, you can generate original songs just by describing what you want. You can choose the style, mood, instruments, tempo, and even the theme of the lyrics, and the AI will create a full piece of music for you in seconds. Imagine typing something like, create an upbeat kids song about learning numbers, or generate a relaxing piano background track for a storytelling video, and Gemini produces it instantly. This is a huge advantage for content creators, YouTubers, podcasters, game developers, and even small businesses, because you no longer need to spend hours searching for the perfect background music or worry about complicated music production tools. Some of the great things about these features include fast music generation, create songs in seconds, different genres and moods, pop, cinematic, kids songs, lo-fi, and more. Custom lyrics and themes, perfect for storytelling or educational content. Unlimited creativity, generate multiple tracks until you get the one you love. And one of the best parts, you can quickly create multiple pieces of music for your videos, which makes it perfect for scaling your content. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use Gemini to create multiple songs step by step, so you can start doing the same thing for your own content. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, because I'll walk you through the entire process. And before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who wants to start using AI to create amazing content. Alright, let's get started.
Okay, so the tool we used to create that amazing song, that lovely song they just watched, is Google Gemini. Okay, I know a lot of you didn't know that Google Gemini have recently released a Gemini music that you can use to create amazing and interesting sound. So here you log into your gemini.google.com. When you go in for the first time, it will ask you to chat with Gemini. Okay, you just have to follow the prompts that will come up. Okay, click on use Gemini, follow all the prompts. So when you're done, you come here. All right, you come over to here when you're using your Gemini. I'll click on dismiss. So when you come in, you will see here, you will see create music, create image. You can use Gemini to create image. You can also use it to create video, but for you to create video with it, you need to be on subscription. Gemini can also write, help you to organize your script, help you to plan your day. But here we'll be using create music, okay? First thing we'll do, let's go and get the lyrics we will use, okay? It can also give you lyrics, but you can also use your own lyrics. So I'll be using Gemini itself to organize my script. So I asked Gemini to write a music release about a person going through heartbreak. Okay, once I do that, I'll click on generate. So Gemini will actually write the lyrics that we'll use for the song. Okay, you can see the lyrics. Okay, if you have your own lyrics, you can instruct it to actually help you to organize it. So this is it. I'll go ahead and just click here. You scroll down, you click here, and you copy the response. So once you've done that, here where you say ask Gemini 3, okay, you can click on here, all right, to select the model what you want to use. Okay, you can see the create music is new. All right, it's new. So you can select create music and it will open. If you want, you paste in the prompts. Okay, you paste in the prompts and click generate. All right, it's generating. So this is the response that Gemini gave. It says, I have composed a track for these lyrics. It features a warm and okay, you can see what they said. And here you scroll down and this is it. One good thing with it comes with album, it comes with image, okay? Then you click on, let's listen to the song.
The coffee's cold on the kitchen stall. There's a silence echoing down.
This is nice, okay? If you don't like it, let's say you have a different kind of style of song you want, you can ask Gemini to change it for you. So let's say we can say ask Gemini to change the style of the song to R&B. Okay, you can just figure out things you want. You can change it to R&B and it will generate that. Let's wait for the song. So this is ready. It says I'm practicing my music editing skills. So it says you have actually created this. So let's see. And this is free actually.
The coffee's cold on the kitchen stall. There's a silence echo.
So this is lovely. And another thing is that you can also ask Gemini to write a lyrics of song. Maybe you want to Afrobeat. You can also choose Afrobeat as a style of your song. So let me show you the one what we'll be creating for Afrobeats. Okay. So I asked Gemini to create an Afrobeat song of a boy falling in love with a girl. So you just have to kind of be a bit silly with this, all right? So I'll generate that and you'll see what it will create. Seriously, I've been playing around with this Gemini new music model. Oh my God, it's everything you need. The beats, everything is so beautiful, like the sound, everything you need. Okay, so if you're enjoying this tutorial, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more interesting tutorials on how best you can use AI tools and create quality content. Oh yes, so it's ready. You can see Gemini have actually created this for us. Okay, it says it's a complete infectious rhythm and soulful vocal. So let's check it out. So here's the song. Let's play.
See freshness, so I'm on this feeling. When I see you, I can't enter. My whole world just they scatter. The way you move your body, girl, you put my head in a sweet swirl.
Okay, this is beautiful. Like seriously, I love this. So all you need to do is just for you to save this to your device. Okay, click on download and download it to your click on download and just download the track. Okay, only download it. If you want it with the cover, I'll be downloading it with the cover. Okay, it will give you two options. Do you need the track only or you're downloading it with cover? So I will download it with cover because I'm using it for YouTube. Okay, so I'll download it with the cover. So what next you will do is I want you to open a new chart. When you open a new chart and your Gemini comes out like this, you will see there is another kind of way you can also view create music. So you can go ahead and tap on create music. So when you touch on create music, okay, the first thing you will see is that Gemini will ask you to pick a track to remix. Okay, let me explain to you how this one works. So let's say you can also select a track here, okay, maybe kind of a style of music that you want to create. So remember, we've been creating our song. So if you want it to be like in the 90s rap, you can do that. Or if you want it to be Latino pop, you can do that, or folk or 8-bit. One thing with this is that it's just like the selection is, you can see, is a lot. So you just have to scroll down. Let's say you want a birthday kind of song, you just have to. So we have loads of, they also have Afropop. So even if you don't want to type it, you can come in here and also select your own style of music. So let's create this sound. We select the reggaeton. Okay, when we select the reggaeton, you can customize it. Okay, paste in your prompt. Remember, we have our prompt. Okay, then you can just click on generate. Okay, Gemini will go ahead and generate. So if you just want to have a lot of selection, open a new chart and go through that route for you to be able to select the one you like. So it's generating for the song for the reggaeton using the lyrics we had for the first song we created about a heartbreak. So this is what it's creating. Let's wait for it to generate. One good thing is that it's so quick. It doesn't take too long. You can see it's creating already. So here is the sound. Okay, the broken cup. Okay, it's like someone going, and I like the visual. All right, so you click on
La casa se siente tan fría ahora. Veo tu foto a toda hora. El café sigue en la mesa. Todavía siento tu promesa. Y es un dolor que quema lento, rompiendo mi corazón.
I believe we are dancing because here, this 2026, Gemini is not here to play. Okay, Gemini last year gave us a lot of VO3, Nano Banana, and this year is the music, model, and it's giving everything. Everything is superb. All right, so you can go ahead and create all this. So let's try one more model from the template that Gemini have for us. Okay, we open a new chart again, then you click on music. All right, then you can select one. Maybe we can go over to a cappella or 90s. I don't know which one you like. So they have different. I think there's this cinematic one. We've done Afro. They have loads. Seriously, they have loads. Loads. It's one they call bad music. What kind of bad music? Let's listen to bad music. So we click on bad music, select the template. Okay, you sing your prompt, and you also click generate. I've been playing around with this. Seriously, it can also create the music. Let's say you have a longer script. Remember, Gemini only gives us 30 seconds each, okay, for the sound. So you can check where the lyrics end and also paste in your next lyrics from there. Use the same style of song, all right, so you'll be able to have a complete sound. If you want to you just want to generate everything using that particular style of song. All right, I would love you to try your own Gemini AI music. Let me know how it comes out. All right, and as our song is still generating bad music, I don't know what bad music is. I don't know if I've listened to it, but here is it. Oh my god, the visual alone is something else. All right, so let's listen.
The house is empty now, just dust motes in the light. LOL, noob, my sadness is a nebula. How can one so...
Oh my god, it's really a bad music indeed. Okay, but if you like it, remember to click here. It asks you to download the track. Okay, you can download it as MP3 or you can download it as video. All right, I'll be downloading it as video because we have for YouTube channel. So guys, please like, share and comment and subscribe to the channel for more amazing tutorial like this. Thank you for watching.
The coffee's cold on the kitchen stall. There's a silence echoing down the hall, and it's a slow burn, a steady ache. How many pieces can one heart break? I don't know where to begin again.
See freshness, so I'm on this feeling. When I see you, I can't enter. My whole world just they scatter. The way you move your body, girl, you put my head in a sweet swirl. My baby, oh, you make my heart they do pop pop pop. I know if you shout, you're the one for me. My sweet melody, yeah, you're the one for me, oh, you're the one for me.
The coffee's cold on the kitchen stall. There's a silence echoing down the hall, and it's a slow burn, a steady ache. How many pieces can one heart break? I don't know where to begin.